बिकॉज जब आप स्ट्रेट देखते हो आपकी आंखें क्या होती है, आपकी आंखें अट्रैक्टिव लगती है, टॉक्सिक लगती है, और आपके अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस आंखों में लगता है, ऐसे मॉडल चल रही है। हाँ। एक बॉडी में अनकंफर्ट सी है ना, माइंड में चल रहा है अनकंफर्ट, जैसे आप चलते चलते ऐसे हाथ कर ले रहे हो, राइट, तो वो एक अनकंफर्ट सा है। और इंटरव्यू में किसी भी चीज में आप गर्दन हिला के कुछ ना बताओ। Hey God, thank you very much to give me problems and challenges, because this time I'm struggling and my struggle is making me powerful.
Coat pant and going to the gym, it's not like that, because you have to adapt yourself in that type of situation.
A lot of people are here to show their ability in communication.
The power of an attitude is very important, because once the person have attitude, he know the ability to express himself confidently, to express himself very brilliantly.
आ जाइए। हल्का शू से साउंड आ रहा है। Some people walk like this, you know. Look, it's like, you know, complete pressure on the waist. That's exactly bad. When you walk like this, you don't look actually, you know, that, you know, that exactly that attractive personality, that hypnotizing personality. You walk somewhere like this, you know. Hi.
Hi, ladies.
Good morning. Hi, everybody. Good morning. Thank you very much. Hi, everyone. Good morning. All right. I should be with the people. No, if you are just walking to the front row, it should be just straight, because when you talk about the models, when they walk, they don't look right and left. They walk like this, you know, somewhere, you know, वो पूरा एकदम स्ट्रेट, वो पूरा अपना पता नहीं पूरा पहने हुए, कभी कभी स्लिप भी खा जाती है, वो उधर स्ट्रेट देखने के चक्कर में कभी कभी क्या होता है, कुछ आ जाता है ना, गिर जाते हैं, तो इट हैपेंस समटाइम, बट इन दैट इट्स टोल्ड दैट यू हैव टू लुक स्ट्रेट, बिकॉज जब आप स्ट्रेट देखते हो आपकी आंखें क्या होती है, आपकी आंखें अट्रैक्टिव लगती है, टॉक्सिक लगती है, और आपके अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस आंखों में लगता है, ऐसे मॉडल चल रही है। हाँ, वो नहीं बोल रही है, मतलब राइट, ऐसे चल रही है वो, तो वो एक लुक आता है, कॉन्फिडेंस। अब वो ऐसे ऐसे देख के चले, हाय, रैंप वॉक में कर सकते हैं आप नॉर्मली। तो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लेट्स डू वन थिंग, लेट्स चेक ईच एंड एवरी वंस वॉकिंग, राइट, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
You should open your mouth or close your mouth?
At the time of walking? No, close. Why to open? I just said chick. That was my actually, you know, kind of fun. Okay, let's look of each and every one. Okay, let's have a walk of Ayush. अब देखो इंसान ओवर कॉन्शियस हो गया ना, अब राइट पे पूरा प्रेशर जा रहा है 60%। ओके, दैट्स फाइन, वेल ट्राई। कुणाल, वेरी नाइस, गुड।
Good morning, all of you.
That's all right. Come on. यही निकाल दो। All right, that's fine. Well. चेहरे पे कोई चाम तो रखो यार। Come on, it's like पूरे दुनिया का सर का बोझ लेके चल रहे हो सर पे। Come on. All right. Well.
Good morning, everyone.
Very nice.
Good morning, everyone.
Well tried.
Good morning, everyone.
एक बॉडी में अनकंफर्ट सी है ना, माइंड में चल रहा है अनकंफर्ट, जैसे आप चलते चलते ऐसे हाथ कर ले रहे हो, राइट? तो वो एक अनकंफर्ट सा है, ठीक है? यू शुड okay, that's great, well tried. Mahek.
Hi, good morning, everyone.
Body straight. Okay, that's great. Well, this little change, right? So first of all, as I can or I have observed each and everyone, some people give little, that performance or that, walking, which was showing that yes, underconfident, right? So please be confident, right? And when you walk, it should look like that yes, somebody is walking, somebody has that great charm. And another point, now we are going to have a switch. And the switch is that we are going to now walk and brief something about us or about our future vision, right? Brief something while walking to the right corner, to the right column and to the left column. And I would like to give this opportunity to Inder first. Now, you don't need to walk. You need to talk about your future plans, visions, about you, who is Inder, what he wants to do, something like that. To the right and left. Sure, please come.
Sir, walk करके कर सकते?
Yes.
I want to make a video, emoji video, emoji video. So I want to in future, in future, I want to make emoji video. So if you are interested, emoji video, you watch emoji video, so you can, you should check out.
Try to understand one thing. Without uttering words, you cannot use your body language. अब इनके साथ आप एक केस देख रहे हैं, वर्ड नहीं आ रहा है, हैंड जेस्चर्स ऑटोमेटिक आ रहा है. This is not good. ये इंटरव्यू में भी हो सकता है, प्रेजेंटेशन भी हो सकता है. It's one of the blunder. It's a mistake. So when you just do this, you give your gesture while he's speaking. You know what I want to be? Emoji video.
Oh, expression.
I want to make emojis video. Understand? और इंटरव्यू में किसी भी चीज में आप गर्दन हिला के कुछ ना बताएं. उससे ये लगता है कि मैं आप सामने से पूछ रहा हूँ कि क्या मैं सही हूँ. सर, माय नेम इज अब्दुल्ला. इसका मतलब मैं खुद कंफ्यूज. सर, माय फादर नेम इज. मैं क्यों कंफ्यूज हूँ अपने फादर? दैट शुड बी वेरी क्लियर. वंस मोर.
Can you suggest me anyone? Can you suggest me anyone how to make video?
What kind of video?
Like emoji video, funny,
Okay.
animated.
You can learn it from YouTube.
Okay.
Yes.
And anyone?
You can do a
Mimicry.
course as well for animated video.
Okay.
I'll do so.
Oh. So I want to
Lots of AI.
different way.
You can use
How?
video. You can use your own audio in that.
Okay.
Use your voice in that.
Remember one thing.
Yeah.
Whenever we speak actually in public, so we should have that body language, that expression. The public heats, you also there, right? I think Ayush, you also do. You do. So that's the point. That's why I'm quite interested to give that kind of content which can contribute to the society. अब आपने पूरे बॉडी लैंग्वेज से, एक्सप्रेशन से सभी लोग को जता है. अब आप नॉर्मली बात कर रहे हैं. ये बोलते हैं कन्वर्सेशन. जो करना है यहाँ पे वो करना है प्रेजेंटेशन. दोनों में फर्क है. I'll give you an opportunity. Smita.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Smita. As you all know, I am your batchmate. Recently I have completed my graduation and now I want to get any government job. After that, I want to become an IAS. Do you think it's exciting?
Yeah, it's very exciting.
Okay, so wish me luck. Thank you so much.
till the importance of communication and how can they develop a great and impactful communication skills.
Okay. To develop your communication and be a dynamic personality so that people can hear you, you can do some basic things like you should understand how to dress up professionally, how to behave, how to talk, how to convince others by your talk, by the way you speak. You should maintain your eye contact. You should always be confident. You should not leg pull others. You should not do. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
You're doing one thing. You're just walking straight and you're
Okay.
speaking. You're walking straight and you're speaking.
Oh, I don't have to see others.
You have to.
Okay.
I'm saying that you are making mistake.
Okay,
That you're
okay.
walking straight and you're speaking.
Okay, I have to see.
Right, left, right,
Okay.
left. Yes.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. I was talking about how you can develop your speaking skills, right? So you first have to dress up properly, like a professional way, not like some tacky things. You can't come in like you are a model or something, you are an actor or something. You should dress up properly. You should understand how to talk, how to behave politely. Don't leg pull others. Don't do bad things or bad comments on anyone. Especially don't laugh when others trying to say anything or speak something. You shouldn't laugh because your laugh can demotivate someone. Just because of you, one person or there could be many will not able to speak confidently.
Well tried, well tried. ज्ञान को कैसे बढ़ाया जाए ज्यादा से ज्यादा? Knowledge, how to increase knowledge?
Bookish knowledge or
Each and every knowledge.
okay.
Right?
Okay, sir.
Go.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanu Shalini, and I am going to speak on the topic how can we increase our knowledge and that like social knowledge. For social knowledge, we can communicate to each other. For social knowledge, we can do traveling. We can communicate to each other, and for bookish knowledge, we can do self study. It will increase our knowledge. We can do some courses. Yes. For bookish knowledge,
Yes.
we can do self study. We can do some courses, and for social knowledge, we can communicate to each other. We can do traveling, and that will increase our like social skill.
And part of each and everyone's life. Why is it so? Because I'm talking about the part of our life that is struggle. Because as somebody said that संघर्ष में इंसान अकेला होता है, सफलता में दुनिया उसके साथ होती है, और जिस पर ये जग हंसा है उसी ने इतिहास रचा है. So ladies and gentlemen, it is one of the greatest step for all of us that the God has chosen us to struggle in our lives. Sometimes we just sit and curse ourselves in lives. We say, hey God, what the hell life you have given me? Hey God, what the hell you are doing with me? And all these are, अब देखो मैं बैठा भी हूँ फिर भी एक interaction. Oh my God, you know, my life is quite hell. My life is bad. It has been affected. I exactly don't like my life. I hate my life. Please, hey God, just, pick it and take me out of all these problems. We sometimes feel it, assume it, but it's a wrong perception and mindset. So what should you do in that case? In that case, you should be thankful to the God and you should say, thank you very much, God. Hey God, thank you very much to give me problems and challenges, because this time I'm struggling and my struggle is making me powerful and it's strengthening me. And if something is strengthening you, trust me and believe me that if something is empowering you, that's your powerful point. Because somebody once said that असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो, बिना कुछ किए जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. अब ये एक इंटरेक्टिव सेशन हो गया. अब मैं आप इसी को ऐसे ऐसे चल के बोलूं. अब फिर ऐसे मुड़ जाऊं, फिर ऐसे बोलूं. Do you think it is an interactive session? No, na. So why don't you develop an interactive session? Develop it. Yes, Mohit. Your topic I would like to give you. The power of an attitude.
Okay, so today I am telling about the power of an attitude. The power of an attitude is very important because once the person have attitude, he know the ability to express himself confidently, to express himself very brilliantly. So, according to me, attitude is very important, and everyone have think about how to improve himself, how to improve his attitude. You know, your attitude is good, and your attitude is too also good. So, and my inspiration for this journey in this institute, Mr. Abdullah sir, his attitude is very good. So, I would like to thank Mr. Abdullah sir who gave me chance to say something about attitude. So that's it. Now, power of thoughts play a very important role because once a person have a important thoughts, a powerful thoughts, he can manage everything very easily on the basis of thoughts. And as you know, there is a proverb, an idea can change your life. So it's also a thought. A company is a SIM company, mobile company, who can use this word, an idea can change your life. Behind this idea, there is a thought. So that thought is very important. And be a person, a confident person, there is a journey of thoughts. The starting journey, the guys who are trying to learn thoughts on the basis of thoughts.
Okay, Abdullah. You're talking about power of thoughts, okay?
An attitude.
Okay.
Okay. So, good afternoon everyone. I am Atulya Bhatnagar and today's topic is power of an attitude, right? So, can anyone tell what is attitude? Can you? What is an attitude? Anyone in the audience? Okay, no one knows. That's not a problem.
The way you see the world.
The way, okay, that's nice. The way of expressing yourself. Okay. So, let me tell you what is an attitude, because to understand what is the power of an attitude, we need to understand first that what is an attitude, right? So, you don't know, let me tell you that attitude is a subtle way of feeling or thinking about something, right? And I am remembering one story related to it, that there was a boy in the park, okay? That boy was very fun-loving, he was very excited, and he saw one balloon man, okay? Balloon, okay. So he was seeing one balloon man, and what the balloon man was doing, whenever his sales were going down, he used to flew one balloon in the sky, and then the students come, or not students, the children come, and they used to see that, they used to buy the balloon from him, okay? So then the boy who was seeing him doing that thing, he went to him and asked him that, if you fly the red balloon or the black balloon, he asked for the black balloon, okay? So he asked that, if you fly the black balloon, will it also get fly in the sky? So what do you think the balloon man has answered to him? Yes. Okay. Why? Okay. The balloon man has answered what the him is that?
It's a balloon.
Balloon. Sorry, sir. वो एकदम आदत है ना.
It's alright. It's alright.
So he answered to that small boy is that it doesn't matter what color it has. What actually matters is that what is inside that. So that is all about an attitude. The way you see the things, the way you think about something matters the most. So that's all I want to say about attitude.
Well tried. Well tried.
Tell me what is the major thing in developing personality? Anyone?
Conquering ourselves.
Okay, nice. Any other options?
Facial expression.
Facial expression, very nice. Any other?
Body language.
Yeah, or
The way you speak.
The accent.
Your confidence.
see
How you want to see.
how you want to see. Okay,
How you want
okay.
to see.
Okay. Anyone else? You sir? What do you think about personality?
Personality is what you are.
Nice, very nice question. Actually, see, what you are telling is a secondary thing. The primary thing is what I am right now going to tell is the major thing which will improve
and which contain all the things whatever you have told. The thing is adapt to nature, because change is the nature of nature. You can say that, yeah, it's a law of nature. So it's not just like that wearing suit, coat pant and going to the gym. It's not like that, because you have to adapt yourself in that type of situation. And adaptability is that thing which develop your body language according to that situation, because you are going to someone else with different areas. You are adapting the clothes, you are adapting the language, you are adapting the body language, you are adapting the way of speaking. Yes. It all comes under the body language, adaptability. So adaptability is the major thing, and all whatever you have said is the secondary thing. The primary thing is adaptability. Thank you.
Hello, dear strugglers.
Hello.
Hello. Are you not strugglers? So why are you being very, very, very silent? You know, a lot of people are looking so depressed. Some of them are energetic as well as I am. So depressed that something they have lost. It's not all about. Why I use the word strugglers? Can anyone tell?
Because we all are struggling and doing the best for us.
We all are struggling? Huh.
Something in future.
Since childhood.
Since childhood.
Actually, what happens when we are alive? See, when we see the morning, a lot of people are dead. They don't see their life being alive. Okay, in the morning, a lot of people are dead. But we should thank our God, Allah, Ishwar, Rabb, that at least we are alive, and we should thank to God as well. That today, thank you so much for keeping me alive once again. So first of all, that's our chapter, struggling. We are struggling a lot in our life. Some of our here to cracking UPSC, coming here in Delhi from Bihar, keeping a lot of distance from this part. Okay. A lot of people are here to show their ability in communication. People are here to go abroad. And like me, people are coming here to do masters in stand-up comic as well, and being a good attractive person. That's a prominent thing. And this is actually place where you can do all of the things, where you can achieve a lot of milestones that you have anticipated in your mind. Okay, that's what is important. So we should keep struggling. That's a very prominent thing. I have done it because at the one of time, I was actually having a lot of issues in thinking. I was sitting on a nukkad and having a smoking sutta with chai and thinking, oh, I wish I could do that. And I was having a debt of 6 lakh rupees in my early 20s. And that was the thing actually when I thought, and when a person, he's very dear to me. He came and he across to me and are you listening? Are you there? Yes. Okay. He walked to me and suggested me, you should do, at least we should give it a shot. Then we will be able to achieve our milestones that we have anticipated. And then I tried, and now I think, now I am fully enough that I have achieved something and done something in my life. Now I crack jokes because I have earned a lot. I don't boast myself a lot, but people say that now you have achieved something in just 25 age. So that's my thing. Thank you so much for having me.
The way he interacted and told each and everything. So for tomorrow, I'm giving you one responsibility, right? The responsibility is that tomorrow there will be 4 panelists, and each and every one has to submit their biodata. And what do you mean by biodata? Your complete details, past, present, future. But don't mention deep personal, right? Personal which you can share. You have to mention in the biodata, and there will be 4 panelists. The panelist number 1